Good morning from Grand Cayman. Mr. Cayman here again. So right now it is very windy and rainy as we have Tropical Storm Laura passing us. So it's bringing all this rain and wind, and I was trying to go to Kirk Market with my umbrella. My umbrella just the wind just blew away and busted up, so I have to wait for that. Prepare it again. I'm supposed to meet Gabby for breakfast, but I don't know if I have to just like run to Cook Market, but it's still raining. Came in August, folks. I hope it gets better. Fingers crossed. It's going more northeast, northwest. So hopefully the next couple of days it's not as bad. So I'm just walking now. Still is raining. Still is windy. It's not as bad. It's died down a little bit. My umbrella got messed up. The wind took it under, so it got blown out from beneath. So I had to ditch that back in my apartment, and now I'm running a risk case to meet my girlfriend Gabby. As you can see, a lot of leaves on the ground, some small branches, all from this wind we're having. Very windy. Very windy. A little wet right now, but it's worth it to meet my girlfriend Gabby. Going over there. Let's go. Oh, I'm here. I brought a towel. Gonna have some breakfast and see what happens later. I'm not reckoning too much of this weather. See you soon, guys. Mr. Cayman, sign off for now. See you later. Hey guys. So massive waves, as you can see. Oh. This is the results of Tropical Storm Laura. Now I'm getting a little wet from the salt water too. But yeah, big waves. Not a day you want to be out on the sea. Wow. Crazy. Windy, wet day. Massive seas too. Big waves. Crazy times. Holy cow, it is wavy. It's not Not a day you want to be in this water, that's for sure. Whoa.